Yo, what's good, my people? What's good? So it's the weekend. Today is Saturday. I'm looking up some plays that I could be catching. It's December, so I'm looking at next year plays and potential setups. So with that being said, the pair that I'm on is AudJpy. And as you can see, we have this strong push down, breaking structure, creating a change of character, showing that we could potentially see some retracement up into bear structure and swiping this external liquidity. So right now we're looking for internal liquidity to external liquidity. So buying into a sell. So as you can see, we get this low, this higher, this higher high, then we get a higher low, then we get another higher high, then we get this lower, this higher low, and what we can expect is a sweep of this, and then we start breaking into this external liquidity. So we got our premium area here, discount area here. Let's go into our 4 hour chart and see what we got going on. Within our 4 hour chart, we have our premium range here. No, I'm sorry. Our premium range here, equilibrium here, discount area here. So after price sweeps this previous month low, this green line here, this is a nice indicator you should get. So we get this sweep of the premium month, the previous month low. We sweep that, this green line. This was the low. So what we would do is once price starts to sweep that low, we will look for a reversal. This was the first reversal. This breaker right here sweeps this low, but we get an instant pull back up. And let's see, let's look at how strong that breaker is. So price never really closed on the outside of that breaker. As you can see, it wicked through, and it wicked through to test this order block right here. But you know that wick was strong enough. Those wicks are strong enough to take you out. So that's why it's important to take the most extreme areas that you could take price on these trades. So this order block would have been valid, but also this breaker block was respected. Price never closed below it. It actually just wicked through it and wanted to test this order block. So this was our first signal that price is showing willingness to go back up after this strong down movement. We sweep the previous month low. We get this strong bullish change of character. And now we're here. We see the same thing. We have a breaker that sweeps this liquidity, tap in this order block. And here's the breaker right here. It's actually a unicorn model, which is, breaker block followed by a fair value gap. Price haven't mitigated into it yet. So what I would like to see with this is price comes here, test this, and on a lower time frame, I'll try to snipe it and get a real good entry. That way I can get some high risk to reward ratio on this trade right here. So let's talk about TP areas. When we go back to the day chart, we have unmitigated situations up here. We have the strong order block at the tippy top. We have a fair value gap here, a fair value gap there. And as you can see, neither one of those are mitigated. And we have the previous month high. So what we could expect is we could potentially see price retrace and pull back up, creating higher lows and higher highs back until we take out this previous month high and then dip into either one of these fair value gaps and a reversal. So once price get back into the premium area, we can expect a reversal back into this external range. So we're trading internally to go externally. So a buy into a sell. Um if you wanted to take, let's see, if you wanted to take this and this, because these are potential areas. The previous month high, this fair value gap, this fair value gap. These are potential take profit areas from this buy that we're in discount. This buy that we could potentially see, because we could take our buy here and look to target these areas for take profits and get a reversal back to the external range. And even when you do that, I think we got some good risk to reward ratio on these setups here. even with just this this breaker within itself taking it back up to the previous month high. If we were to just take that and let's just see from there to there, let's take this breaker here. So right now we would be looking at a 1 to 9, and this could be, something that's real nice, and that would be our first take profit. If we were to target our second take profit, which is that purple line there, we could potentially see a 1 to 10. You want to target the top 1 to 12, and up there you got a 1 to 18, and these are very high likely. They will just be swing trades. So um it's a good setup, and I think it has high potential. And then even once you take that area there, you could take the reversal back down and target external liquidity, which will pay out very, very good. It will just take patience. And I think that's pretty much it. We have the same play. Oh, this is what I was gonna mention. I'm sorry. So let me go back. And even as we can see, we have a X continuation of price going back up, making higher highs. We have an accumulation within this range. We have our manipulation sweeping the low. Then we gonna have our distribution price distributes up. So that's what we could expect, and it will distribute up into one of these areas, either taking previous month high, dipping into this fair value gap, or even pushing stronger to dipping into this fair value gap. This is the play that I will be looking at for the next couple of months, and I think I will get a good payout on it. I'll keep you guys posted on it. This same play can be seen on NZDJPY, and this one is more prettier in my opinion, because on NZDJPY we have equal lows showing that this is very well accumulation, and these equal highs can be used as inducement. So when price gets up here, sellers were thinking to be selling this area, so we could potentially see price run this, dip into this fair value gap and drop, or dipping into this fair value gap or order blocking and dropping. So this is a nice setup that I'm thinking, and we're still low into the discount area. So this is the best time to buy. So NZD and AudJpy, NJ and AJ are the potential setups for the next couple of weeks. So I'll keep you guys posted on that. Stay tuned.